Here is a quick walkthrough of Extempore. Now, Extempore is an app that will help you turn your smartphone into a teleprompter. You could shoot flawless videos on the go, right from your mobile, and even edit and publish them. All you need to do is load your script and shoot your video. Extempore will ensure you look confident in front of the camera, while the script you need to deliver will scroll at a desired speed in the background. Okay, time to get started with the demo showcasing all the major features of Extempore. Let's log into Extempore on the web. Visit extempore.io and log in using your email and password. Now, the web account acts as a back-end to create your scripts. You can create, edit, and manage your stories right here. Click on Write Story to create a new story. You can type in your story and save it. You can download the mobile app from here. Alternatively, you can also download from the Play Store or the App Store based on the device you use. Once you have downloaded the app, you could use the same credentials to log in the app. When you log in, you see stories that you have already created. You could get started with one of the already created stories or type in a fresh story. I am going to create a new story. Click on the Create New Story icon to start your creation. Give it a title. You could write a story or copy-paste from elsewhere. In this case, I am going to edit one of the stories that I have already loaded from my web interface. Once done editing, you can save the story. You could go to the My Takes tab and start a new take. Let's have a closer look at the options available on this screen. The first option lets you auto-stop the recording once the script ends. In the second option, you get to choose the resolution of your video. We have 480p, 720p, and 1080p resolution options to choose from. Now, the font size option lets you increase or decrease the size of the text as per your convenience. The last option is your text scroll speed. You can trial and error to find the right speed matching your pace. You can either choose the front or back camera to shoot your video. For example, if you want to show a monument and talk about it, you could choose the back camera. If you want to create spokesperson videos, you would choose the front camera. You can record your video by clicking the record button. Once the countdown finishes, your video starts recording, and you could read out the script scrolling on your screen. If you have enabled the stop recording when the script ends option, well, the video will automatically stop recording. Otherwise, you need to stop recording by pressing the same icon. Now, once done, you could see your videos on the My Takes tab, just like the one on this screen. You could click and preview the video. If you are satisfied, you could then style your video. If you're not satisfied, you could go back and record a new take. All your takes will be available in the My Takes tab, and you could choose to style any of the takes. Let's style the video that we just recorded. You could choose the vertical, square, or horizontal video option based on where you are going to publish the video. I am going to choose the vertical video, and I'm going to trim the unwanted portion of the video. You could choose which portion of the video you want to trim and save it. How cool is it to do all the editing on the go? Now you have to save the video on the main styling screen, and once saved, you could find this video in the edited section. Preview the video in the edited section, and if satisfied, you can share right on your preferred social networks. You can also export the video and use it elsewhere. Now, I hope this demo helped you understand the significant, wonderful features of Extempore. Thank you.